It was a particularly hectic morning in the ICU. The unit was full, and the nurses were rushing to attend to their patients. Essie, who had been working tirelessly, couldn't help but notice how effortlessly Alma handled her tasks. Alma seemed to know exactly what to do in every situation, and the doctors often praised her for her quick thinking. Essie, a young, ambitious nurse who often feels overshadowed by Alma's expertise.
Kofi, a male nurse who is generous with his time and skills, always willing to help others.
What's wrong, Essie? You look like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders.
Essie hesitated but then decided to confide in Kofi. It's just, Alma makes everything look so easy. No matter how hard I try, I feel like I'll never be as good as her.
You know, Essie, I used to feel the same way when I first started working here. But then I realized that Alma's experience didn't come overnight. She's been through countless situations, just like the ones we're facing now. Instead of envying her, I started learning from her.
But how do I stop feeling this way? It's like no matter what I do, I'm always second best.
You're not second best, Essie. You're still growing, and growth takes time. Instead of comparing yourself to Alma, try to see her as a mentor. Ask her questions, observe how she handles difficult situations. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn.
You're right, Kofi. I've been so focused on what I lack that I forgot to appreciate what I can gain. As Kofi walked away, Essie felt a renewed sense of determination. She glanced over at Alma, who was calmly explaining a procedure to a junior doctor. Instead of envy, Essie now felt a sense of admiration and a desire to learn.
The moral lesson here is that envy can blind us to the opportunities for growth that surround us. By shifting our focus from what we lack to what we can learn, we open ourselves to becoming better versions of ourselves. Please stay tuned for episode 2.